Put your arms behind your back.
I can't, you're on me. Get off my arms.
Arm behind your back.
Y'all don't go to hell. Y'all gonna go to hell, I swear.
On January 24th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a residence upon receiving a report of a man physically assaulting his grandmother.
My grandson was here.
Your grandson?
Yeah, I asked him to leave.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't do anything, he doesn't contribute, and he's not supposed to be here.
Okay.
Look at me. He says,
You want to turn the line off?
he says, I ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
We're here. I said, you need to leave.
Yeah.
I'm looking like this coming in my house.
Are you hurt at all?
I'm shaking up.
Okay. Do you have any injuries? I want to know because I have the fire department down the road.
If it is, it'll show up later. Right now, I'll be fine.
Do you want them to come check you out?
No. I'll be fine. So he started filming me. I said, please.
Filming you with on a phone?
With a camera.
Okay.
With a real camera. I said, don't do that. I said, stop doing that.
Yeah.
So I tried to reach for the camera. I did. So he slammed me down against here. And we started struggling in the bathroom.
Yeah.
He continued to just wail on me and wail on me and wail on
Punching
me.
you?
Yes.
Where's he punching you at?
In my sides, across my back. Everything's happening in the heat of the moment. I can't quote unquote or give a correct of what happened. All I know is that this is my house.
And he ran. Did he leave? He ran?
I walked. Yeah, he didn't run. He walked.
Oh, he walked.
Last I seen him, he was heading in our direction to like maybe west.
And what's his name?
Micah.
Mike. Okay.
And I like to press charges on him.
Yeah, absolutely.
He's homeless from his mother. She won't let her stay.
Okay. During this assault, at any point in time, were you strangled at all?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and then that's where, you know what? He strangled me. He was fist fighting me.
So,
I was stuck, you know what?
real specific on the strangle part. How were you strangled?
Here on my throat, only with one hand because he would not let go of the camera with the other hand.
So he was choking you and then filming you?
Filming it with the other hand, and that's how come I had so much leverage to it.
Did it stop your breathing at any point in time?
Yeah, when I fell against the wall, when an aggressor has the best of me, I try to lay there and just do nothing to see if they'll stop. And so he wouldn't stop, and I was having a hard time trying to, with movement and breathing, so the struggle resumed. I cannot account for the events play by play by play.
Right.
I can't.
Are you willing to give me a recorded statement?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. We'll do that. Let me grab that paperwork. You hang out here. It's okay if you lock the door. I'll come knock again, okay?
I'll be fine.
All right.
The officer gathered the woman's statement, while others scoured the area for the suspect. The man was observed at a nearby bus stop, still clutching his camera.
How's it going, Micah? I'm Officer Bessie from the Police Department. You're being audio and video recorded. Okay. Right now you're detained, you're not free to leave. Okay?
For what?
Okay. We're investigating an assault that took place with your grandmother between you.
Who?
Your grandmother and you. Okay?
Who?
You mean who?
The name.
Your grandmother.
Who?
Something green. And the other officer's out with her right now.
Okay, yeah, I don't know my grandma.
You don't know your grandma?
No.
Okay. Well, we'll get to the bottom of it, man.
Alright.
Okay. What's up with the camera? You just like recording?
Vlog life.
Got it. You got a YouTube channel or something?
Vlogging on X.
One more time?
Yeah.
Okay. You got any weapons or anything on you, man?
This gun.
What gun? Okay, that's a camera. That doesn't look like a gun to me.
It's my gun.
113 I am.
You know?
The bus
Yeah.
stop.
If it's Hope Green you're talking about.
Okay, I said something green. I don't remember the first name.
Something green, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. If you know, yeah.
You want to tell me what happened?
I can show you.
What do you mean you can show me? Is it on your camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you able to show it right there?
It's rolling right now.
Gotcha. But everything's recorded on your camera? Okay. Nope. Michael, you're going to be detained in handcuffs.
Whoa.
Relax.
Relax.
You are being detained. You're not free to leave. Okay.
Okay, I'm not.
Camera down. I'm going down for you.
Do not grab the camera. Don't touch the camera, please.
Let go, or you
Let go. Do not touch the camera. Yo, get the fuck off me, dude. What the? Yo! Stop resisting, bro. There's no resisting.
Why? Stop.
Camera down.
Stop.
Put the camera down.
Stop.
Get the arm.
Yo.
Stop resisting.
Yo.
Stop resisting.
You're under arrest, buddy.
Okay.
You're gonna get tased. Stop.
Get the.
You're under arrest, buddy. Stop.
What?
Put your hands behind your back.
Right.
You're under
Get
arrest.
off me first.
Put your hands behind your back.
Get off me.
Nope, you're under arrest.
Get off me. Get off me. Yo. Yo. Get the.
Put your arms behind your back.
Put the arms
Put
behind
your
your back.
arms behind your back.
Fuck, man.
Put your arms behind your back.
I can't. You're on me. Get
Put
off
your
my
left
arms.
arm behind
Get
your
off
back.
my arms. You're on my arms.
I am not on your arm.
Yes, you are. You're on my wrist.
He is trying
You're
to
on
get
my
your arm
wrist.
Behind your back.
Get off me.
Cut this bag off. We got a knife. Scissors.
Put the arms
Cut the bag off.
Okay.
Somebody.
I will.
Stop resisting and put your arm
My
behind your back.
other arm. Yo, I'ma sue y'all. The f
Hand
is
behind your,
this?
Micah, put your other hand
Did
behind
y'all
your back.
cut my bag?
Put your
Yo,
hand behind
yo, you cut my f***ing bag. You cut my bag. You cut me. F- you.
Check it for weapons.
Can you double lock him real quick?
Yeah, is this all necessary?
All you had to do is put your hands behind your back.
You were on my arms.
It wasn't necessary.
I mean, no, y'all attacked me for no. For what? For what? To who?
You're under arrest for assault.
Assault? Who?
We'll explain it now.
Nah.
Told you under arrest plenty of times.
Dude. Ah. Fucking with
Micah, do you have any weapons or anything on you?
this camera right here, which I already told you, is my G. Yo, why you grabbing me like that? You get the fuck up off me. I'm gonna sue y'all. I hope y'all know that. City of Federal, you're fucking no piece of shit.
Stay on your side, dude.
Yo, okay, then don't touch me then, alright? Fucking happy for you out here, motherfucker.
Stop, or you're gonna get put in leg restraint.
No, hey, yo, shit, this fucking slaves, what? Slaves? There's new slaves out here? Yo,
Stop resisting. You're gonna have.
God, y'all don't go to hell. Y'all gonna go to hell, I swear. Yo, boy.
Stop.
Stop trying to kick people.
I'm not trying to kick nobody. Get off. Ah! Yo!
Just let him breathe.
Ah! Help! Somebody help me! What the f?
You need to relax, bro.
You need to fucking relax.
Yeah, we're trying to
Buddy.
set you up and you're kicking people.
I ain't kicking nobody. Y'all cutting circulation to my f***ing blood. Yo, okay. Get off my leg. I can't feel my leg.
Keep kicking your feet. Okay, once you get those on, we'll sit you up.
Get off!
This other one.
Yep. Got it.
Stop. See,
I'm swimming.
Don't swim in.
Well, we're not in the
Swimming.
water right now. Okay, there's no need.
In water. I'm drowning.
Okay. You want to sit up or are you going to keep
Yeah, I'm gonna sit up for hours. Hey, yo, chill with the restraints, B.
Okay, don't be kicking
Out y'all.
okay? We don't want you to get hurt. We don't want anybody else to get hurt. So sit up straight and relax.
Some of the IC.
Am I f***ing animal out here?
Oh, don't kick at us, man.
I ain't nobody kicking. Y'all on my leg. I can't feel my f***ing legs, dude.
You kicked me.
I'm sorry, man. Did I kick you?
You did.
My bad. Like, geez, dude. We got the whole platoon out here for a reason.
Because you're fighting.
We playing GTA out here. The f***. You got me like a dog.
checked into weapons, have you?
Nope.
We haven't. No, we have not.
Yo, I told you, I just told you, dog. I ain't got nothing on me.
Micah, relax.
We have
Yo,
to.
why you touching
We
me like
have
that, yo?
to.
Why you manhandling me like that, yo? Treat me with some respect. Like I'm a god or something. Yo,
Stop
back
grabbing people.
up. Ah,
Stop
you're grabbing me.
Stop grabbing
You're grabbing me. What?
Stop grabbing people's fingers.
But why you grabbing me for then? Let me go
He's
first.
checking you. He's checking you.
Ow, the circulation in my
Relax.
arms. Yo, this is abuse of power. This is abuse of power.
Is that his?
Yeah.
All this is mine.
We got.
Yo.
Stop grabbing my fingers, Micah.
Okay, don't grab my pants then. Ow, yo, chill.
Stop.
It hurt me. Even further. Yo, this is like unlawful search.
Are in
What's
custody
that?
right now.
What's that girl at, huh?
Assault 4.
Old lady. Fucking demons spawn from hell, bitch.
You are being arrested.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
Okay. So that's why this is.
Count to 10 for me.
Okay,
So I know that I'm in reality right now.
Micah.
No, count to 10. I count to 10. Count to 100 for me. I count to 100 for me. This is not reality. Count to 100 for me then. I can't. Here you go.
You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and I answer any questions.
Yeah, yo.
Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Say it one more time.
Just remain silent.
I'll do it one more time. You have the right to remain silent.
You have the right to
Anything
attorney.
you say
You have the right
can be
to.
used against you in the court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being
I'll
questioned.
cut that off too, and I'll watch
If
you.
you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed
Don't touch my chain.
It's coming off.
Touch
to
my chain.
represent you before
Don't
questioning
touch
if you
my
wish.
sister gave that to me.
That's
I'm not
fine.
touching it.
down.
I'm not
You can
touching it.
decide at any
I'm not
time
touching it.
Sit down.
Let me take it off.
to exercise these wish, to exercise these
Touch me,
rights,
dog.
and not answer any questions, make any
Relax.
statements.
No, hey, do not rip it.
Relax.
Don't take her, you fucking dog demon. Ah!
Relax.
Policeman.
Do it one more
Get him
time.
into a
please.
car.
Goddamn pigs, huh? That's some bullshit.
Relax.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Put your legs inside. It's a lot easier. Put them on the seat. There you go.
Hey, I'm going to take this as evidence, okay? You have to get it from the police department later on. I'll give you a case number for it.
Hey, yo, don't touch my stuff.
We have to. You are arrested.
No, where's my camera?
It's going into evidence. You gonna be compliant, man? I'd much rather have you just walk in there instead of have you jump, okay? Swing your legs over for me so I can take these off.